Okay guys, welcome back to the 14th video on the Python tutorial series on my channel Code with Tomi. And in this video we are going to be briefly talking about for loops. And what's for loop in Python? For loop in Python or in programming generally is a function which allows you to iterate through a sequence. That means it allows you to do a particular function, a particular program through a sequence. That sequence can be a list, a tuple, a dictionary, or anything that has a lot of elements, more than one element inside it. So let's just practicalize that. Let's define a list named names, and let's give it a name. Let's say Tomi. Let's give it a name, and that name, let's call it Donald. Let's give it two more names. We can say John. Let's give it one more. We can say Peter. Now, this is a list with 4 elements in it. Now, if we want to iterate through all the sequence, through all the elements in this list, this is what we'll simply do. To define a for loop, we'll just say for name in names. Then we'll do what we want to do. We can say print name. Now, when we go ahead to run this, you see it gives Tomi, Donald, John, and Peter. What this does, it means for each name. Now this name stands for each element. Tomi, Donald, John, and Peter. In names, in this list, print name. That means print each element. If we add one more to it, let's just add Saul. Now if we print it, you see it adds Saul to the list. And we can also do this for integers too. We can add integers to it. We can say 9, we can say 88, we can say 7. Now when we do this, it's just simply going to loop through everything. Let's delete this terminal. Press it again. Now if we come down here, see it just loops through all. Tomi, Donald, John, Peter, Saul, 9, 88, and 67. That's what a for loop is used for doing. Now we can also loop through a range of a number. Now let's leave that list. Let's define a new for loop. Let's say for I in range 10. Let's print I. This is what we're doing. What this does is say for I. We're just using this I to demonstrate each number it goes through before it reaches 10. What range means is it lists all the numbers it goes through before it reaches 10. Before it reaches 10, we go to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all the number it's going to loop through. And this I just represents each of the number. Then when we print I, it's going to print 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. This is it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what it's for. Let me give you another example of a for loop. We can also print through all the characters, all the letters in a string. Let's say for letters in this string. Let's say the string is code with Tomi. Now when we print each letter, let's say print letters, sorry. When we print this, it's going to give us C, O, D, E. It's going to give us all the letters separately. See what it did? C, O, D, E, then with, then Tomi. That's what a for loop is for. It's just for iterating through a sequence. And that sequence can be a list, can be a tuple, can be a dictionary. I hope you understood that. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please smash the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I release new videos. If you have any question, please drop it down in the comment below. I'm going to reply to all comments. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.